Hello, this is part two for baking the bread. I'm taking it out of the oven and been in the oven for 1 hour. Okay, here it is. We're gonna take it out. It's beautiful. Okay, here we go. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Have a good day. Enjoy. Okay. Oh, now I'm going to do the pepino juice. You need two cucumbers. Cut the ends. And now you are going to peel it with a peeler. This is my peeler. It's very easy. Very easy and fast. Okay, here we go. Very easy and very fast. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, here we got one pepino already peeled. And you don't want to peel it with you don't want to make the pepino juice with the skin because then it will be very bitter and it doesn't taste very good. Okay, here we are, peeling the pepino. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, there is your pepino, nice and peeled. And when you buy the pepino, the cucumber, you have to blend it quickly because it doesn't last long, so you have to do it quickly. Okay, here we go. Slice. Slice. And then you slice it this way. Very easy. Okay? I like to do it like this because it's go very fast and very easy. Okay, there you go. Here's my blender. It's already ready. Put this cucumber right in my blender. This is a very handy cutting board. Okay, here's the second cucumber. Okay, here we go in the blender. Okay, add a little bit of water. Just a little teeny bit of water. And here we go. Put it in the blender. And you are going to put it to smoothie. Okay? And you're going to turn it on. There you go. Here is our pepino blending. Okay? Now we wait a minute. Very nice. While the bread here's our bread cooling down so that we can try it. Turning the oven on. Okay. Thank you. Enjoy. Now to the ready for the Now we stop. We put it for 1 more minute. Here we go. 1 more minute in smooth. So we have a very nice consistency. Okay, here we go. lemon juice if you don't want it to be too earthy. This is perfect. Put a little lemon juice and we're good. Now I'm gonna put it in the jar, put a little bit of lemon, yellow lemon, so it won't be so earthy. Okay, here we go. We're ready to put in the jar. Okay, here we go. Very smooth. Okay, and there you have your pepino taste. Let's taste it and see how it is. I like to drink my pepino with a straw. We're gonna taste it and see how it tastes. Okay, there we go. Okay, here we go. My delicious cucumber juice. Delish. Enjoy. Thank you.